Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the card in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app. And here it opens up in the boards section where we have our boards based on the workspaces that we have. From here we just have to select one where we want to add the card. And here, if you have a list, under the list there appears an Add Card button. If you tap this, we can just name the card 1, and we can just tap on Done, and we have created a card in the board in a list. Then we can edit the card further. We can add a cover, we can add some quick actions, a description, labels, members. We can customize it to our liking. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.